chasing the runners of these hills. Gonna chase them up, see who wins. Got mangoes over here. Got going up, up, up. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Okay. Go, go, go. They just keep coming. Go, 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 go. Go, go. Go, go, go. Don't stop. Run, 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 run. This is embarrassing. I'm on a bike and they're all passing me on their feet. This is very embarrassing. And Kenya mountain, this is good.
So by day you go how many kilometers?
This one day maybe 60 kilometers. Yeah, yeah. If hot, if it's very hot, maybe less, maybe more. Yes. You are passing me so fast, your friend. Look, very fast. Oh my gosh. I am so slow. You are running slow, yes? Oh, you are running slow. I am cycling. Oh, thank you. Wow. This is so fast. Oh my gosh.
You are going fast.
You are a fast runner.
Yes.
You breaking world record 1 hour 49 minutes. No problem. I came from Cabernet. Yes, thank you.
Can I assist me that bike?
This bike?
Yes.
This bike is
We are monkeys.
no, you are very fast. You are fast. What food are you eating? You. All right, those kids back there were way faster than me. They were on their feet. I was on my bike. They were telling me how slow I was. You're so slow. Why are you going so slow? I can no longer call myself an athlete. I guess I better practice more and more. Practice my running along these hills. That's what I'll do the next few days.